Hey guys, thanks for tuning in with another week of What About Water, where we talk about the good and the ugly about water. This week's topic is industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So, the pipes that carry our water around here in WA, they're aging, and there's thousands of kilometers of them. And the Water Corp says some of them are over 100 years old. Now, incorporate that with wastewater treatment costs, which is already expensive due to the multi-system processes it has to go through, and the fact it is a low-value product. Wastewater processing, collection, and distribution is expensive. Now, this can pose problems for countries that don't have the resources, technology, or capabilities to process the water. And if they don't do so, it could put environmental pressures on water systems and cause issues with sanitation and water that could cause the spread of waterborne diseases such as cholera. Now, how do we tackle this issue? Well, first of all, does wastewater treatment need to be that expensive? And the answer at the moment is no. There are companies out there who are trying to make wastewater a value increasing system where instead of being a negative intensive energy system, they are using the solid waste byproducts to generate a biogas inside these digesters through an anaerobic process to generate methane that can generate electricity. This electricity is then sold to offset the cost of the wastewater treatment plant. Now, the issue with that, a cow stomach operates in the same sort of process, but it's about 20 to 30 times more efficient than the current man-made digesters we have here. So imagine a world where we have that efficiency and we can do that amount of energy production, where we turn water into an energy-intensive waste resource issue into an energy recovery system. But we don't have the technology and we're not up to that stage yet. So how do we solve it? How do we help that? Well, we inspire the new generation to want to be wastewater engineers or wastewater developers. Wastewater isn't a fancy or niche sort of sector to get into. Most people don't want to get into it. So we need to inspire them, have government incentivize, and sort of increase the race for wastewater. We had a space race that developed many technologies that helped human race. And why don't we have a wastewater race where we try our best to find the cure to our wastewater energy issue? Now, that's also one of the issues. We could also talk about just spreading the communication and educating the masses about how an individual can affect the wastewater system. If everyone knew about the effects of an individual can have, the total compliance across the whole system could significantly reduce the pressures on wastewater systems, therefore reducing and minimizing the amount of wastewater treatment plants, as well as maintenance and total cost, therefore increasing the viability of wastewater systems. So thank you for listening to my vlog. I hope you understand that wastewater systems, processing systems are very valuable, and they need to be viable for the future, and we need someone to work that out, to solve that. So thank you so much. See you guys next week.